Hey guys, it's Alex and welcome back to our channel. If you did not know, this upcoming weekend on Saturday, Meghan Markle is marrying Prince Harry. Like, Prince Harry. She's gonna become a real life princess. One can only dream. Anyway, if you guys like this makeup look and want to learn how to achieve a flawless, light complexion, natural looking bridal makeup, then stay tuned. I really wanted to create this because I think that Meghan Markle will be rocking something more on the natural side for her wedding. She does like her natural complexion to shine through, and from what I've seen, this is something along the lines that she might be rocking. She really likes that daytime smoky look, so if you like what you're looking at, then keep watching. We're gonna start by prepping the face with our Rainforest of the Sea Radiance drops. This bad boy is vegan, cruelty-free, and has micro glistening pearls that gives you that healthy, dewy glow. And Meghan Markle is all about that natural look, so this is gonna be the perfect base for that beautiful bridal look. Something that I love about her is that she does like to show off her natural complexion and those beautiful freckles that she has on her face. So we're gonna use our Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, which has 20% water, so it's very hydrating and leaves you looking flawless and still very natural. So we're gonna do a sheer to light coverage. I'm gonna put 2 to 3 drops on my double-ended foundation brush and then buff it out. Just gonna add some light bronzing with our Parka Princess Waterproof Bronzer, just to define those cheekbones. Since she does have some stellar cheekbones, we really wanna make them pop. Now for the exciting part, we'll be using our Aspen Ovard Eye and Cheek Palette for our eyes, our blush, and our highlight. You get all of that in this beautiful palette. But let's get started. We're gonna tap into the shade Santorini Sands for our base and our transition color. Now for our crease color, let's tap into the shade Tea Time. For our lash line, let's add the shade Road Trip. To brighten up the eyes, we're gonna use the shade Heart of Gold on our lids. You guys, this isn't even wet. Like, that's how shimmery and pigmented these shadows are. I love it. For our lower lash line, let's use the shade Road Trip. For that inner corner highlight, we gotta use the shade Brilliance. Before applying some lashes, I'll be using our Light Skimmer Lashes 4-in-1 mascara in its limited edition mermaid packaging, because this really does make a difference. For lashes, I'm gonna use our vegan, cruelty-free lashes in the style Flirt. Thought it'd be the perfect style since obviously you gotta flirt a little bit before you get married. Oh, Alex. To get those kissable lips with that perfect pink sheer pout, gonna use the shade Island Life from our Color Splash lipsticks. There you have it, our Meghan Markle inspired bridal makeup look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really enjoyed making it for you because it's reminding me of all of those beautiful weddings coming up in wedding season, and mine. But here's the final look. I really wanted to make sure that it was sheer to light coverage because she really does like it for her natural complexion to shine through, which is very admirable. But happy wedding season. Good luck to Prince Harry and Meghan Markle on their new chapter in this beautiful life. Until next time, tartlets, I'll see you guys later.